Hi everyone, I'm Pam and Canva Creations with Pam. That's my Facebook group. And today I'm going to show you an app on Canva that I use frequently. And I'm thinking that a lot of people need to know about this, okay? I have done a couple videos about this as, so you might have already seen this, but okay. Let's go ahead. I'm just going to click on Facebook posts. And then going to do is I'm going to show you go to my uploads. And I'm going to find, I do screenshots a lot, just for like training and, you know, putting it, creating courses, stuff like that. So, you see how blurry this is, right? It's a screenshot. I don't always think that I get the best quality when I screenshot. So, however, I found a workaround, and this has in handy for me. Also, images, clip, images that I've gotten from other people. I try to enhance them better than when I got them, and I'll show you how we can do that right now. So we're going to go to the side here. I'm on a desktop and it's on the left-hand side. It's, like the navigation menu where design, elements, text, brand, uploads. It's apps. And you can get to it on page 2 since I already know what image I'm going to use. I just going to pull it up here. So I am looking for Upscale. And there's two of them here. One's video, one's image. Both of them are awesome. Highly recommend both. Okay, so image upscaler. That's what I'm going to pick. And it's the one with a butterfly and a magnifying glass. Okay, so I'm going to click on that. Okay, and so here you can do an image, you can do a page, you can upload and just from there, like bring in an image. But I already have this one, so I'm going to click on the image that I already have, and the 2x and 4x or 4x, those are free, so you're able to do it. If you have a free account. If you have a pro account, highly recommend doing the other ones. Okay, so there's 8x and 16x for pro users. I'm going to show you 16 because it is freaking amazing. Okay, I'm going to click on that. I'm going to click on the big purple button, and then we're just going to wait for a couple. It doesn't take long. Okay, so um, I can already see the big difference. This was before and this is the after. I can tell everything's just a little bit more refined and not so blurry. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on this button that says replace. And I'm going to add to design. Oh, actually, replaced it. It replaced it. You could say add to design, but I replaced it. So sorry. Look at this. Look at the big difference. Oh my God, she's clear. The writing's clear. Everything's like crisp. Yeah, so there you go. That, if you use screenshots a lot, or if you want to just get a crisper resolution, then use the Upscale app in Canva. All right. Thank you very much.